Okay, so good morning. Uh, Today we will talk about the differential equation na tinatawag nating Bernoulli's equation. So, tulad ng dati, gumawa ko ng sheet table, parang kay Polde, para mas mapabilis yung pag-solve natin. Now, uh, so dalawa pa rin ang general equation. So, general equation, pag dy over dx plus y times p of x equal to y raised to n times q of x. So, ang kaibahan lang niya is from folde, ang ano mo lang kasi from folde is dy over dx plus y p of x equal to p of x. Pero, pag Bernoulli, meron na tayong y raised to n na nakamultiply kay q of x. So, ganun din dun sa isang general equation niya, dx over dy plus x multiplied by p of y is equal to x raised to n naman siya. Q of y. So, dito, meron tayong madadagdag na variable, si PR tsaka si QR. So, to get PR of x, kailangan mo lang i-multiply si P of x by 1 minus n. So, saan natin kukunin si n? Si n is nakukuha dun sa exponent ni 1. Yung nadagdag na part. QR of x naman, 1 minus n multiplied by q of x. Okay? So, 1 minus n pa rin. Ganun din dun sa kabila, PR of y is equal to 1 minus n multiplied by py. And QR of y is equal to 1 minus n times q of y. So, meron din tayong sisingit, si z. Z will be equal to y raised to 1 minus n kapag dy over dx ang derivative natin. Pag dx over dy naman, z natin is x raised to 1 minus n. And then, sa integrating factor, halos parehas lang kay folde. Kung sa folde, p of x dito sa Bernoulli, e raised to the integral of pr of x. pr ang gagamitin natin. Kaya nga kinuha natin yung PR at QR kasi yung gagamitin natin for the integrating factor and for the solving equation. So, sa kabila naman is e raised to the integral of PR of y, dy. And then, magiging solving equation natin mula sa, c times p, so yung z, times p will be equal to the integral of p times qr of x, qr ang gagamitin natin, dx plus c. And z times p is equal to the integral of p multiplied by qr of y dy plus c. So, as an example, meron tayong tatlong example dito, which is actually nasa module. And then, ang gagawin natin is, para mas maintindihan nyo, solve natin one by one. So, first is, find the complete solution of y multiplied by 6y squared minus x minus 1, so dx, plus 2x dy is equal to 0. So, kinopya ko yung full na equation. Okay? So, paano natin siya gagawin in general equation? So, what if we multiply? Kung sabihin natin mag-multiply tayo ng so, kailangan, di ba, i-isolate natin si dy over dx or dx over dy. So, pinakamadali kasing gawin is dito mo siya i-isolate kasi pag dito mo siya in-isolate, this term, masyadong mahaba to. Okay? So, i-isolate natin siya in this side. So, kailangan natin mag-divide ng, so, 1 over dx. Para lumipat si dx to the second term. Para magkaroon tayo ng dy over dx. And then, kailangan din natin mag-divide ng, so, 2x dx para si 2x mawala doon sa second term. Para matitira lang dito pag nag-multiply ka na is dy over dx lang. So, ang magiging equation will be it will be y multiplied by ito, 6y squared minus x minus 1 all over 2x plus, siyempre, matitira lang dito is dy over dx. So, equal to 0. And then, simplifying further. Simplify lang tayo. So, sa una, distribute natin si y. Y times 6y squared will be 6y cubed. Okay? Pero, divide natin by 2x. 3y cubed over x. And then, second term, y times negative x will be negative xy. Pero, divide natin by 2x, magiging negative y over 2. And then, matitira is y over 2x negative. So, plus dy over dx equal to 0. Now, ang ginagamit natin, ito pala. So, kailangan natin i-highlight para yun yung sundan natin. So, dy over dx, nandun na. So, kailangan natin ng function na y multiplied by tx. Tama? So, ano yung may y tx? Hanapin mo, from this tatlong term, hanapin mo yung may y lang. Tapos, yung may yn, y raised to n, ilipat mo sa kabila. So, rearrange lang natin. Siyempre, meron tayong dy over dx. And then, lahat ng may y, actually, ang merong may y, itong dalawang equation. So, copy natin dyan. And then, lipat natin si 3y cubed over x sa kabila, which is negative na siya. And then, do the form y tx. So, lalabas natin si y. So, dy over dx plus y. Ang matitira will be negative 1 over 2. Tama? Ito. Minus 1 over 2x. Kasi pag distribute mo si y, negative y over 2 and then negative y over 2x is equal to, separate natin si y cubed kasi meron tayong y raised to n. Times q, ang natitira is negative 3 over x. Okay? So, yan yung naka-general form na or standard form ng Bernoulli. So, coming from that, makukuha natin yung mga variables. Yung mga kailangan natin, which is p of x. So, ang p of x natin will be yung nakamultiply kay y. Ito. So, kukopyahin ko na lang. Yan. Pero, kailangan natin ng ito, p of x. So, which is equal to, so, the quantity 1 minus n. So, ano ba yung n natin? Yun yung exponent ni y doon sa right side of the equation. So, ito yung y cube. Tama? So, 1 minus 3 multiplied by p of x natin. Ito. Nakalimutan ko pala yung sulat. Dapat determine na rin natin si q of x, which is equal to, di ba nga, y raised to n q of x, 3 over x. Mula dito sa equation. So, simplify natin to, magiging 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Then distribute, magiging 1 plus 1 over x. Tama? Negative 2 times negative 1 half will be positive 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 over 2x will be positive 1 over x. Yun yung PR of x nito. Now, kailangan naman natin ng QR of x. Okay? So, kailangan natin ng QR of x equal to parang ganun din, 1 minus 3 multiplied by ang qx natin is 3 over x. So, negative 2 times 3 over x will be negative 6 over x. So, yun lang si QR of x. And then, finally, kailangan natin kunin si z, which is y raised to 1 minus n. So, equal to y raised to 1 minus 3 or equal to 1 over y squared. So, nakuha na natin lahat ng important details. So, important details to get practical. Then, kailangan na natin ng integrating factor. So, integrating factor, so, kailangan natin kunin si integrating factor. So, ang formula will be equal to e raised to pr, raised to the integral of pr x of dx. So, e raised to integral of, ang pr natin is 1 plus 1 x. So, lagyan natin ng parenthesis dx. Okay. So, that will be e raised to x plus ln x. Tama? Kasi integral ni dx will be x, integral ni dx over x will be ln x. So, equal lang yan sa e raised to x multiplied by e raised to ln x, or the simply x e raised to x. Yun yung integrating. So, nawala si ano. Actually, ito si integrating factor. Okay. After that, kailangan natin i-substitute dito. Kailangan natin siyempre yung equation. So, compare lang natin siya. So, ano nga ba yung z natin? Ang z natin is 1 over y squared multiplied by p. Ang p natin, x dx. So, p ulit natin dito, x dx. And then, q of x will be negative 6 over x. Negative. Okay. So, yan yung magiging equation para ma-solve. So, it will be x e raised to x over y squared equal to how to integrate uh, okay. So, negative 6 pala. Magka-cancel out si x e raised to dx plus 6. So, integrate lang natin. So, copy itong side na to. And then, integrating will be negative 6. Integral of dx dx will be dx dx pa rin. So, plus. And then, we will just multiply the full equation. So, multiply by y squared para maging e raised to x is equal to negative 6 e raised to x y squared plus c y. So, kung gusto nyo lipat sa lahat from right side to the left side, so pwede natin gawin ano. So, equal to 0. And then, change sign yung mga lumipat plus. And then, minus. So, that will be our final answer. Okay, so chinek ko yung meron pala tayong nagkamalihan. So, this will be dapat 1 minus 3. Tama naman. Oh, this is negative pala. Negative 3 of x from this equation. Dapat kasi negative ang q of x natin. So, this will be positive. Sorry for that. This will be positive. This will be positive. And this will be positive. So, pag nilipat natin, negative na. So, mind nyo na lang yung correction. Tama yung nasa module. Nagkamali lang sa ng negative sign. Kasi, kinompare ko yung answer, nagkamali pala tayo. Okay, so, punta naman tayo sa second problem, which is find the general solution ng 3dy dx plus 3y over x is equal to y to the 4 2x to the 4 multiplied by 2x to the 4. So, separate natin si dy over dx. So, kailangan natin mag-divide by 3. Or multiply tayo ng 1/3. So, 1 over 2. Oh. So, magiging dy over dx plus y over x is equal to 2 x to the fourth y to the fourth over 3. So, general form na ba yan? Siguro. So, dy over dx ulit tayo. Tama. So, copyin lang natin to para maging guide natin. Okay, yun yung table, dy over dx plus y. So, gagawin natin siyang this form. So, syempre, dy over dx plus y multiplied by, ang natira is 1 over x, which is magiging px natin. Is equal to, separate natin si y raised to n, which is y raised to 4. So, ang natira is 2x raised to 4 over 3. Tama? So, magiging ano natin? So, makukuha natin si p of x, which is 1 over x, and then q of x is equal to, in part, ito, 2x over 4, ay 2x to the 4th over 3, and then, makukuha natin si n, which is equal to, yung exponent ni y, 4. So, tapos na tayo dito. Kailangan natin ng PR of x. So, PR of x of x will be equal to 1 minus 4, which is negative 3, times p of x, 1 over x. So, equal lang yan sa negative 3 over x. And then, next will be QR of x. So, copy na lang natin to. QR of x will be 1 minus 4 or less multiplied by ito, 2x to the 4 times 3. Ay, 2x to the 4 over 3, which is equal to negative 2x to the 4. And then, kailangan natin si j will be equal to y raised to 1 minus 4, or equal to 1 over y cubed. Okay? And then, kailangan natin ng integrating factor, which is e raised to, ito, e raised to PR of x dx. So, equal to, ang PR of x natin will be negative 3 over x. Ito yan. So, magiging, ano natin, will be e raised to negative 3 ln x, or equal to 1 over x cubed. Ang phi natin, or the integrating factor. And then, kailangan natin ng formulang ito, j times p. Tama. So, ang j natin will be 1 over y cubed. Substitute natin dito. And then, ang p natin, 1 over x cubed. And then, p ulit, 1 over x cubed. And then, qr of x will be negative 2x to the fourth. Okay, dx plus p. So, just simplify lang natin. So, 1 over x cubed, y cubed is equal to, magka-cancel out. So, ang matitira is the integral of negative 2x. Integral of negative 2x dx plus, so, simple lang yung integral natin. So, 1 over x cubed, y cubed is equal to negative x squared, ang integral yan, plus c. Tama? So, we will multiply x cubed, y cubed. So, para wala tayong denominator. So, nasa module will be 1 is equal to the quantity c minus x squared. So, inassume ko lang na one variable lang siya or one term lang siya. Pero okay lang din naman kung distribute nyo, okay lang din. Pero para parehas sa module at baka yan na tayo. So that is will be for example number 2. So after no, punta tayo sa example number 3. Which is meron tayong tinatawag na trigo function. So, for example number 3, find the general solution of y prime plus y cotangent x equal to y to the fourth sin x. So, kopyahin lang natin yung problem. Ang y prime natin kasi dito, pag sinabing y prime lang, dy over dx na automatically. And then, since dy over dx, ang kukopyahin natin table, ito. Ito yung magiging guide natin. Okay? So, y times cube x, pwede natin lagyan ng parenthesis to. And then, y to the n cube x. So, ito si. Okay. So, yan yung general form niya. So, makukuha natin na si p of x natin will be cotangent of, so, naging capital ka, pero cotangent x yan. Tapos, makukuha natin na ang p of x natin will be sin x. Okay? So, cotangent x sin x. So, kailangan natin ng PR of x from the formula 1 minus n multiplied by p of x. Ayun. Okay? Ito. So, equal to, ang n natin is 1/4 coming from the exponent nun. Multiplied by p of x natin, cotangent x. So, equal to negative 3 cotangent x. QR naman natin. QR of x will be equal to 114, which is negative 3 multiplied by sine x, or equal to negative 3 sine x. Okay? Then, kailangan natin ng z, which is equal to y raised to 1 minus 4, or 1 over y cubed. So, kuha na natin z. And then, kailangan natin ng, after that pala, integrating factor, which is e raised to the integral of pr of x dx. So, ang pr natin is negative 3 cotangent x and then dx plus c. Ay, hindi. Wala pang plus c. Is equal to, ano yung integral ng cotangent? Ano yung integral ng cotangent natin? Magiging e raised to the integral of negative 3. So, lumabas siya. Multiplied by ang integral ng cotangent. That magiging ln ano ba yan? Okay. Yeah. Sine x, or equal to 1 over bracket sine cube x. Tama. Yun yung p natin. And then, kailangan natin, ay wala na. So, eto, kukopya na natin to, c times p. So, ang z natin, 1 over y cube. Ang p natin, p will be ito. Equal to p, ganun din. Regular ni p. Multiplied by ang qr is negative 3 sine x dx plus. So, yan yung equation natin. Tama. So, simplify lang natin. 1 over y cube, the quantity sine cube x is equal to, magka-cancel yung isang sign, so magiging the integral of negative 3. Matitira sa baba is sine squared. So, iakyat natin, magiging CSC or cosecant squared x dx plus, okay. So, 1 over y cube sine function sine cube x. Tama. Is equal to, ang integral kasi ng cosecant squared x will be negative cotangent x. So, magiging 3 cotangent x plus, okay. So, dun, kailangan natin multiply to, multiply y cube sine cube x para maging 1 equal to, so the quantity, assume lang natin na isa lang to, y cube sine cube x. So that is the final answer for this problem. So that will be last part ng Bernoulli. So kung in case may tanong kayo, we have our GC naman. So ano, if you have questions, chat nyo lang sa GC. Huwag na yung pa isa-isang tanong please. Kasi pag magkakapares kayo ng tanong, pauli-uli lang. And then, remind ko lang, yung quiz will be Wednesday, 12 to 1, Bernoulli and Folde. Kasi pares lang naman sila. Kaya pinagsama ko sila. And then, Thursday lang exam nyo, Bernoulli and Folde. So, sana may natutunan kayo. Kung may, basta yun lang. Kung may question kayo, you can ask it sa GC natin. Kung may violent reaction, pwede rin sabihin sa GC. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching this video. Ewan ko kung umabot kayo dito hanggang sa ito. But, goodbye!